Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi cousin Avec that I use as my everyday planner. And this week I will be using some stickers from Rachel B Studios for self-care stickers, the same ones I used in my Hobonichi weeks. And I got these from the swag bag from Planner's Gonna Plan conference. And I love that that swag bag has introduced me to different sticker shops. And then I may introduce some of these black toile stickers from According to Allie. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually use some of this washi. I believe this one's from Stationery Pal. And my fingers are full of ink because I just filmed that unboxing of my ink swap. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, I'm going to put that in the top right corner here. And I got ink everywhere. But that was so fun and so generous of my ink swap angel. And I'm just like, I feel like I need to do that for someone else. And it was a great ink swap, I guess, challenge or program. I don't want to even call it a program, but an ink swap done or hosted by Simone. So thank you for that. All right. This is a huge self-care isn't selfish sticker. And I'm wondering if I could actually just, do I really care about covering up that portion? I really don't. And will that still give me enough room? So let's see, I need about that much room. Did that even work out? Okay. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay. I feel like I'm measuring like in Mr. Bean where he goes to the window and then he's got a pencil in his mouth and then he goes to where the wall is that he has to cut out. I wish I could insert a clip of that, but if you know, you know. So let's put this down like so. Okay, then, so that means I probably won't be putting a sticker down here. Hold on, Lucy's knocking at the door. So then I am going to add maybe a floral up at the top. I feel like the decoration is going to be very top heavy in this. And now she wants out. There you go. Decide. So maybe I'm going to take this bookmark out because it makes it difficult to write things in and plan. I'm going to place that up at the top there, scissors. And I like cutting it in half and placing both halves on either side of the page rather than just placing the sticker right over the fold of the page. I don't know why, I just prefer it that way. Then, I still have these and I don't want to place them down yet until I start writing, which is so different from the way I used to do things before. When I was using the Happy Planner, I would put all my stickers down and I wouldn't write in it until I had taken my before the pen picture. Now it's like I need to write stuff in to just get a sense of where everything should go. So what pen am I going to use? I'm going to use my Pilot Finishing Point, which currently has Pilot Iroshizuku Sutsuji. I believe. No. Yes. Double checking. Tsukushi. Oh, Tsukushi, which is brown. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the sidebar. So the sidebar is pretty easy for me on a week-to-week basis. And I'm going to actually keep this very basic. I'm going to just actually take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen here and brush letter in the word sleep. And then draw in the graph so that I can chart how much sleep I get as well as my sleep score on a day-to-day basis. And it's nice to do it in the black because then it is neutral. And I feel like this is when a cute sleep emoji. Here we go. Do I want to use these ones? The blue doesn't match, but this one with like the little lamb is really cute. So let's put that down here. Yes. And then I feel like I have to put everything away as soon as I use it, or else it's just a big old mess that I have to clean up at the end. So you guys get to see my process as well in terms of keeping things neat. And then workout. I've kept my workout schedule blank over the last couple of weeks just because I have been sick. So I haven't been doing any weight training. So I'm hoping that by next week I'll be a bit better, but I'm still gonna leave the schedule blank so that I can write in as I go. And wow, Tuesday comes before Wednesday, so that I can write in what activity, if any, that I did do. Oh my gosh, Saturday and then Sunday. Wow, I am totally off. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. And the thing is, I'm planning on a day that I'm normally not planning. I normally plan on Friday. It's Tuesday. I'm planning today because I need to get this done before I leave for vacation on Thursday. So let's put that one down here. I like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go into each day, Monday, and, you know, the days of the week, and write in the word meals. Normally I would do this with the Tombow Food and Noscape brush pen, but I want to try and use this pen more because it is such a great writing experience. I love using this pen, and it's just so smooth, but also feels great in my hand. All right, and I love how like the brown kind of transforms. It starts off like this darker, I don't know, there's just something about this ink that I like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and draw in my work shifts. However, it's gonna be a little bit different because Henry has an appointment at 12:45, which I've conveniently blocked off here, for an eye assessment. So what I think I'm gonna do, and I don't normally do this, is actually grab a box. I don't normally use like boxes or quarter boxes or anything like that in my spreads. I try to make it really easy for me to just use. Are you sneezing? Lucy's she's roaming around on the floor behind me. Oh, I like that brown that goes with it, but it's like brown right next to the brown. I think the purple would look really good, this purple. So I'm going to put this right here. Yeah, that looks about right because I do have to go pick him up at like 11. So I'm gonna write this in at 12:45. Henry eye assessment. Eye assess. And then back to work, really, from I'm guessing about 3:30, just to adjust, 3:30 until close. And I'm sure I'll probably work for about an hour there. And then doing the same thing. This one is a bit different because there's a couple of different things happening. So, oh, hold on, Lucy wants out now. So Tuesday, Lucy has, actually I'm gonna put it here with a sticker because it's not that often that I get to use the fun dog grooming stickers for Lucy. Oh my gosh, I just let her out and now she wants to get back in again. Hold on. Grooming time. So for Lucy, grooming time, 9 o'clock. And then I know at 9:30, cleaning, which will be 9:30 to 2:30. And then I gotta fit in my shift in somewhere. So for those who are asking what I do, I am a call center supervisor. Work. Okay. It's gonna bug me that it looks like that, but whatever. And filling that in. Normally I don't fill the things that I do on a day-to-day basis before I put in the work, but you go with the flow. And this one, Thursday's a weird day because of when I pick up my kids. And then Friday, you guys are probably like, please take that sticker off your wrist, Karina. And I'm like, I will when I find a place to put it down. Okay. So now I can go into the day-to-day. For Monday, it's my usual to-do list of meal planning. Oh, can you hear that? And ordering the groceries. It's so funny when I get interrupted filming a Plan With Me video because my husband just was like, I just changed the lights and look, I can adjust it through an app on my phone. Anyway, I find that funny. It's the little things that, like, he loves stuff like that, and I'm like, just put the light bulb in. Okay, and then Tuesday is the night that we put out the garbage bins. And ever since that comment a couple of weeks ago, I'm now just overthinking it. And I shouldn't have to overthink the way I say or do things in a Plan With Me video about my personal life. And then Rob is gonna pick up the groceries between 6 and 6:30. So pick up groceries. Normally put a sticker down. I don't know why I didn't just put a sticker down. I think I'm all over the place because this is not my usual planning day. This is not the day that I usually film my Plan With Me's. So, ooh, this is the perfect color. Cute. And then Friday, 2 o'clock at Weight Watchers in Sherwood Park. And then I do have to film the weeks and cousin and possibly a currently aunt. We will see. But I also have to film something earlier in the week for the monthly setup. When I will get to do that, I am not sure, but it's also time that I have to design for the following month. I can't believe it's already that time. I'm thinking of what I need to design for the November new releases, which I'm happy about because it's going to be Christmassy and wintry. Okay, then the 29th, Henry has wall climbing from 10 to 11:30. Don't have anything else going on that day as of yet, so I can put down, oh, that's not true. I have my team happy hour as well as the time to fold laundry. So team happy hour. And then right above that, I'm gonna put a fancy Paper Bits Co. sticker. I love these. I need to get more. To fold laundry because I'm just that cool. And then the 30th, I don't think we have any plans. So I think I filled in what I can fill in terms of pre-planning my week out. So now, where are you going? So now I can add in a few more stickers, and I don't mind putting it in places like this because then I can just write over it or put a little box over it. I'm gonna take a piece of washi and actually rip it in half because I don't want the full width of it, and then Add that like so. I actually kind of want to do the same thing here. Cute. And then I have one more sticker. Where am I gonna place this? That's the thing, I've seen so many other people's spreads where they create gorgeous clusters, like Brit's plans or Brit plans. She creates gorgeous clusters in her hemlock and oak, and I'm so jealous of those clusters because they're just so pretty. But maybe, maybe I do put this one there, but I feel like it's now overloading that. Or I could put another one right in the middle here. Yeah, I'll do that. It's not something I usually do, but I will. Sometimes you do things that you don't normally do in your spread, but they turn out really cute. And I just covered the word meals, but whatever. Sometimes, like, I don't know if you guys have noticed when it comes to my planning, certain things I'm really peculiar about, and other things I'm just kind of like, meh, it'll go there because I want it to go there. You know, I don't know. It's not necessarily one of my, I'd have to say not one of my favorite spreads, but I think I will get used to it. And this is the thing with planner spreads. Some weeks you really love, other weeks are just kind of, you're not sure. But then the great thing is you can turn the page. Sorry for all of like the Lucy in here. Let me just show you quickly. This is Lucy trying to get up on my lap as I'm planning. And then there's my planner spread. All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like this was haphazard once again, but I feel like this is why I plan, because I need some sort of semblance of organization, because I can kind of run a little ragged in some areas of my life. All right, but if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if this is helpful for you. You know what? I forgot to put Henry's Ninja. Wow. And that one is 11th. See, I told you. I am all over the place because this is not my usual filming day. Okay. Now I'm done. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.